Hello students, how are you? So today we will learn the modules and the pip and built-in libraries in Python. Today we are having the class number 13. Alright, so let's start it. Okay, so what is the learning objective? So by the end of this class, we will learn. So we will understand what modules are, what is modules, and we will understand how to import and use a built-in modules, and we will install external package using the pip, and then we will explore popular Python libraries. Okay, so we will do this. So let's start it, and we can see what is modules. Let's see what is modules. So definition goes by this, like a module is a python.py file that contains functions, variable or classes which can be reused in other Python programs. The real life example is like your mobile has a different app like camera app, calculator app, calculator gallery app. So each app performs a specific task. So same way, similarly, the Python module contains code for a specific purpose. So let me take an example. Like example is import math. In the math module, we are having a lot of functions. So one of them is given here, math.sqrt means square root of 25. So if you will try this, let me show you. Let's run it, and you can see the output 5.0, right? So this is the 5, the output is 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. So we have used the module math over here, right? So we imported the math module and used a square root function. So let me show you something. Math dot. See, we are having a lot of functions. A cos h, a sin h. See, lot of, right? D dist, floor, sqrt. You will also see a lot of functions we are having, right? Pi, sqrt. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So why we you need to use the module? Without modules, write every function yourself. We have to write every function by ourselves if we will not use the module. So with module, we can reuse ready-made code. Advantage is you can see it saves our time, and the code is reusable code. It is easy to maintain, and it is organized project. Okay, so we should use the modules to save our time. So let me show you how many types of modules we are having. So we have built-in modules, means which is already made, ready-made. So always already available in Python. We are have math module, random module, OS module, datetime, statistics, Django, scikit-learn, Keras. See, math module is used for formulas, math formulas, random to random generate number. Then we have OS to handle the we can say files in PC. Then we have datetime to know current date, and many more. You can just not know the current date, but you can also deal with lot of current functions. like mean, median, mode you want to do, you can do it here. Then we have Django for web development, then scikit-learn for machine learning, and keras also for, you can say, machine learning and deep learning, right? So this is already made, ready-made module we are having here. Okay, so user defined module. So you can also make your own module. Module created by us. Example calculator.py. So you made a calculator code. That is user defined. We can also make our own. So third party modules are like created by other developers. So installed using the pip. So few examples are you can say NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Request, Streamlit. NumPy is used to deals with the numbers, numerical arrays. Pandas for data analysis. Matplotlib for creating the graphs. Request to work with the web development web pages. Streamlit to show up your machine learning models or deep learning or GenAI models to the as a website or a web app, right? So importing modules, how we can import the module. So the simple method is import math. This is a simple way. Let me show you. Hope you are able to see the screen. Import math. Yeah, this is a math means every functions of the math will come up here. You can run it. Yeah, see the output we can see. Then second method we are having import random, and from random we are fetching out our some other function. See, it is giving us a random number every time. Okay, now you can import with the help of third method, which is from math import sqrt, means importing only the single, you can say, function, only one function. See, so basically why we use this one. See, whenever you are having a very big project, all right, so it is better not to import the math, because if you're importing the whole module, it can take time to load, right? So what we do, from math we particularly import the only one function, like one or two functions, you can 1 2 3 whatever, like you can just call it the particular functions only. So from math import star means everything we can import. Explain why this is generally discouraged in larger project, because yeah, so that this is also importing everything, so this is not advisable for the big project. Okay, then we are having this one, import math as m. So we are using a variable m here, so which will be containing all the functions of the math into the m. You can see this is still working. See, we are just using the math as a variable. Then we have the built-in libraries. Yeah, built-in libraries we already know. Let's talk about some built-in libraries what we are having here. So like for you can say math. Math is if you import it, you can get square root, ceiling, floor. power, factorial, pi, a lot of functions you get here. Sorry, I forgot to import the main module. Then run it. Yeah, you can see it's working. 7, 6, 5, 32, 120, 3.14. Square root of 49, 7. Ceiling of 5.2 is 6. Floor of 5.9 is 5. The power 2 to the power of 5 is 32. The factorial of 5 is 120. The value of pi is 314. 3.14. Right, so hope you are able to understand this, right? Okay, then we have the random module also. So import random. So this will do some of the task. Import random, and from the random you can say random dot randint. You can get any number, random number from 1 to 100, and see this, yeah. And the next one, we are choosing any element from our list. You can see 90 and banana. From date time, import date time. Datetime dot now. It will tell us the actual date, the current date of now. See this. You see 18th of August, 12:31 afternoon. Okay, then why we use the next module OS? So import OS from get CWD, means current working directory. So it will just tell you where your this file is residing in your computer. So chp download by the Python class. This is the folder. So yeah, this folder is inside here. So if you want to know where your file is, or you want to make a new file, delete file, make a new folder, you can use the OS module to do that. We have a lot of function in the OS module. Statistics. So import statistic, like we are having 80, 85, 90, 95. This is the marks. Let's find out the mean of it. Eighty-seven, 87.5. Okay, so now let's understand how we can make our own module. So I will be using the file 1 and file 2. Okay, so hope you are able to see this, right? So we have two files over here. Okay, file 1 and file 2. So I'm making a function in the file 1. The function name is Agar. It takes two parameter. Then we are printing the sum of a plus b. And second function is I'm adding one more function multiplier, which takes the two input again. And then we are printing the product of both. Okay. And here you can see, okay. So see this both file is in the same folder, right? If you want to connect or import something, it is very necessary that both of the files are in the same folder. Okay, then you write import file 1. So import file 1 means you're importing this whole file, and then with the help of f file 1 dot addr, you can call this function which is here dot addr, and you can pass the value. And same happens with this one. So whenever you call this, you already know your function can print, right? So let me run it and you will see the output. See, the sum is 30 and the product is 30. Wow, 30 30 both the sides. All right, so this is how we can import. You just have to use import, and you can also use a different method. You can import file as f, then you have to write f here. Yeah, so you are using alias, or you can say a container variable here which is containing everything. You can say or you can write from file 1 import star. Okay, so if you import star, then also it will work. See this. Okay, so then we are having our next topic, which is what is pip. So definition is like this. You can say python pip is a python package manager. It helps install external python libraries. Okay, I will run it also. If you want to check whether you have the pip in your computer, you can run this pip version. Okay, go down at the bottom, and here you can write the command pip. Just 1 minute, let me clear it. Yeah, pip version. See this pip, we are having pip version 26.2, right? So it's working. Then you can do pip install numpy. So what will happen here? Just 1 minute. Pip install numpy. So basically I already have the numpy module, so that's why it is showing it is a requirement already satisfied. But if you do not have it, will this is the way how we download. Okay, so pip install and the name of the module which you want to install. Alright, could be anything. Pip install pandas, pip install matplotlib, pip install scikit-learn, pip install keras, anything you can download. And but if you want a specific version, then you can use the pip install numpy and the number of the module. Just 1 minute. pip install and the particular version. See, it's downloading, right? Alright, see, successfully uninstalled 2 3 and install this one 2 1. But if you want to install the latest, you can write pip install numpy. This will get you the latest one. See this. Okay, now you can also update pip install upgrade numpy, so it will upgrade your module. So this is how you can do pip install upgrade numpy. This is how you can update your module. See, it is uninstalling the numpy 2.1.0 210. Then it will install the latest version. Successfully installed 2.4.6. You can see it just did the upgraded version, right? Okay, to update, okay, so uninstall the package. So you can run pip install and name of the package you want to uninstall. View install packages. You can do pip list to view all the packages you already have in your computer. Okay, let me to update the pip. You can run this. Let me update my pip. The command is given. You can just copy paste and you can upgrade your pip. Every week and every month they are updating the pip, so it's better you to update it every interval of time. Okay, let's understand what is pip with a real life example. You can see, think of pip like a Google Play Store where Python, you can say Python is one of the your Android phone. Pip is a Play Store which will help you to download the apps. Libraries are the apps. Need calculator, install it. Need WhatsApp, you can install it. So with the help of pip, in our computer with the help of pip we can download the modules, but in the mobile we can use Play Store to download the app. Okay, then we have similarly need numpy. Pip install numpy, do the numpy. If you need pandas, then do the pandas. Okay, now you can pause the video and you can install pip install request. I'm giving you few minutes. You can pause the video and you can do the pip install request on a computer. Please always do it in a terminal or CMD. To verify whether it is working or not, you can make a file and write import request and then print installed successfully. Let me try this. I think I already have the request module. Installed successfully. See, for me it is working. Okay, so now we have some, you can say, we have some interview questions like what is module. So we can answer here that modules are the files which is containing variable functions. And okay, second is what is the difference between a package and module. What is pip? Pip is basically install a Python module installer manager. Difference between built-in and third-party library. You can tell that the built-in is already built by Python, but third-party is something the developer has created and you can import. And what is the difference between import math and from import math sqrt? So we all know that here we are importing the whole math module and here we are just importing the particular one function. So this is the homework. You can see generate a random OTP. You can use the module, find the square root of a number. We have done something like this in our session. Print today's date and time, and find the, you can see, find the average of the student marks using the statistic module and install a numpy and verify the installation. So hope you everything is clear and you do not have any doubt. And if you are having any doubt, please write in the comments and must like the video and please subscribe to the channel.